Alright, class. Does anyone know the answer to this? I don't know. Okay, wait, what time is it? Oh, it's... what time is it? Oh, shoot. Just give me a second. I need to go out for a minute. Hey, sweetheart, you're supposed to ring the bell every time when it's time to go. Rocket, come on, wake up. Honey, I'm taking a nap. Yeah, no, but you're supposed to ring the bell every time when it's time for the students to go. They're gonna be late to home. Alright, I'm getting that done. Alright, there's the bell, guys. Let's go. Wait. Is that the queen? What are you talking about? There's no way that's the queen. No, like, seriously. I mean, I see Queen Hope and an extinct bird. Can I get everyone's attention, please? Listen. Red has gone missing. We don't know what took him. But we're looking for who did. And Mr. Nature, mind explaining what happened to Red? And what Sunshine told him to, or something, what happened, like, what Sunshine did to him? Well, it all happened after, Sunshine came to Red's house. I was suspicious, so I decided to sneak by and watch through the window, or something. Well, kinda went to the side. I saw Red arguing with Sunshine, and Sunshine slammed the door in his face. So, I went to the Queen in an angry way, and I asked her very furiously if she outcasted Red, and she said no. So we gotta look for him. Red was the only extinct bird I found when he was born. Apparently. It was his only home. So we gotta look for him, no matter if the Dark Watcher's after him or not. Oh, hey, sorry to disturb the village meeting, but hey, you guys were talking about this Sapeornis named Red, right? Yes, Light, we have. Maybe I can look for him. I mean, he might be not that far. And maybe when I find him, I can send a message to you. And bring the guards, but not knocking them out. Go look for them, and then message me at my castle. Yes, Your Majesty. I won't let you down. I should be close. I kind of smell birds. This is interesting. Like an archaeologic, some days. Yeah, I don't know why I said that, but it was just a thing. Okay, let's see. Okay, where is that Sapeornis that the Queen was talking about? It could be anywhere. It can't be in the volcano because that's off limits. There it is. This thing's full. This might take me a while. This place looks very interesting. Strange. Oh, Wow, rats don't really taste that bad. I always thought they taste bleh. Okay. What is that? Is that a Sapeornis right there? Wait, is that the Sapeornis they were talking about? That was a good nap. Looks like Aaron and WaterDasher went hunting without me. Very cool. I don't care. Ugh. Well, at least I don't do huntings. Wait, what is? Who is that? Hey, who are you? Hey, calm down. I'm not here to hurt you. Wait, you're another extinct species? Are you working with Dark Watcher? No, I'm not. Does it look like I'm evil to you? I mean, no, I guess. Yeah. I'm Light. Your name is, it's Red. Red? Everyone has been talking about you recently. Oh, great. So let me guess. You're a villager of the Queen? I mean, I haven't even seen any fellow extinct birds as a villager. Pretty much, yeah. Wait, is that a rock behind you? What do you mean? Oh my god. Guys, what did we say about that? No knocking them out. Well, we were following you, so we gotta knock them out. Oh my god. So what, you're listening to Sunshine now because she told you to? No, she didn't order us to do that. Oh my god. Wait until the Queen finds this. No. I'm sorry, Red. But I'm pretty sure I'll get to know more about you. Where am I? Am I in? Wait. Am I? Is this a dream? It better be. Wait. Why am I behind fences? No. This can't be real. Ugh. Okay, no, it's gotta be a dream or something. Oh. Well, hello, WaterDasher and Aaron. Well, hello, Red. Where's Aaron? I don't know. Right here, guys. Okay, but what about colorful rainbow and giant? Oh, rainbow is in some kind of ice-looking thing, and so is rainbow and giant, except they're in different other separate ice tanks or whatever the hell it's called. How the hell did we get here? I don't know. Some kind of stupid owl just swooped in and knocked me out. Yeah, a sparrow just came out of nowhere and knocked me out. Are you sure it wasn't Shadow Talon? No, it was a different one. No, that's weird. Since when are sparrows guards? I have no idea. Well, looks like we're gonna have to find a way out. Oh, this goddamn hell of a place.